Here's a Centuries Communities Plan Medina. This one is filmed in the Woodland Hills. So let's go inside and take a look. This is a great front. I'm gonna do something different here. Let's walk around the side here. So you can see I'll go inside, but you can see that there's a bump out there. So this house is on a hill, and we'll see it all. Okay, so you come on inside and there's an office. I like that. And it's big. There's a powder room here for your guests. Very nice. Granite. Under mountain sink. Underneath these two lights will be the dining area here. Big living room. There's a closet. Wow, this goes all the way around the corner. Very cool. There's a built-in, get some hooks right here, hang the jackets. Laundry room. Let's check out that garage. Oh, okay, I see. So there's an extra extension here. And this, put a water softener. Sprinkler systems here. If you get an electric car, you can always tap it off the box here. There's also extra plugs everywhere. Tankless water heater. Garage door opener. The blinds are all here, all the appliances. It's freezing in here. Here's the master. Very cool. Wow, big master bedroom. Toilet has a door. Double sink. It dips down. Linen closet looks good. So this is a big master. And this closet is fantastic too. Okay, let's go upstairs. This is a big game room. You know what? You almost could put a wall here and a door right there and make that a theater. Maybe point the TV that way, but it's big. This is big. Here's bed. Oh, all these rooms are big. Bedroom 2. Big walk-in closet. Here's the bathroom upstairs. Granite. Okay. Bedroom 3. And a walk-in closet with a window. Bedroom 4. With a walk-in closet. All right, I've seen this house before. Check this out. A huge storage room. How cool is that? Man, you could finish this off. This game room is massive. Oh, what's over here? Wow. Big walk-in closet. So this has got to be more than 20 feet. That is a big room. And then there's a nice little ledge here. Put some knickknacks on there or something. All right, let's go down. And there you have it. You know what? Let's go out here. Sorry. Wow. So you got a big slab here. Four-sided brick, plenty of outdoor plugs. I'm gonna hang some TVs. Yep, sprinkler system. Interesting, I haven't seen a lot like this. And the yard is big. Okay, and there you have it. There's a Century Communities Plan, Medina. If you got any questions about this one, let me know.